sacred law. Innocent until proven guilty. Yes, if you accuse me, I am convicted, I will not contest. But don't stretch it to a dangerous line that over-define the word tainted.
Okay. Okay, Jayveer, Asifa, we'll take a question, then we'll come to you. Yes, what's your name? Get up.
My name is Vidhi. I'm from GIMS Vasant Kunj. I'm a journalist student. Okay, my question is, we choose our representatives. Okay, so we depend on you for our betterment and all, development. It's like, how many of your candidates are actually literate? It's not just about being, you know, criminals or
this is a very good point. How many of our candidates
actually read the whole
are actually literate?
Have they ever read the preamble? I mean, if they don't know about their own country, how can they take decisions for us?
Let me tell you about Mr. Modi in Gujarat, the model we follow. When he says he is a journalist, let me tell you, I have been a journalist for more than 17 years before coming into politics. And the one thing which you will be looking forward to after you complete your education is for a decent lifestyle and job opportunities. Gujarat today is providing 70% of India's jobs.
Gentlemen,
don't interrupt. You will have your time. Don't interrupt. And there is nothing political.
Since the youth are here,
it is an important point which is concerning the youth.
themselves Asifa, we have more questions.
No, wait. You took enough time with them. The Supreme Court is appreciating Gujarat government and the Congress government is giving, at the center is giving 6 times best Chief Minister award to Narendra Modi.
The same line which
Does he have
every
to
day,
say
Asifa,
anything? The biggest job employment is coming from Gujarat.
Absolutely. That's debatable. That is debatable. Yes. More questions. One second. Okay, Asifa, one second. Let's take more questions.
I'll give you statistics.
Ajit and Asifa, let's take more questions from the audience. Yes. What's your name?
There's nothing.
Asifa, question.
Hi, my name is Aditi. And my question is for all the leaders out here.
Okay, please.
Are you guys afraid of clean politics? Does that make you feel weak, or you know, is that something bad you are considering? What do you guys think about clean politics?
Why are you afraid of clean politics?
We are not afraid of clean politics. Mr. Modi is not afraid of clean politics. Every speech
let us finish.
Mr. Radadia,
I can give you a list of candidates.
More questions. There were more questions. You, who else? One more question.
I'm surprised why are you talking about the corruption.
Okay, Asifa and panelists, we'll take 3 questions in rapid fire.
Ajit, these are wrong allegations.
Ajit, Asifa, I request you. We'll take 3 questions in rapid fire. Then I'll come to you and nobody will interrupt.
If he goes on interrupting me.
Nobody will interrupt you after we ask the questions. Asifa, please. I request you, we'll ask 3 more questions, then I come to panelists one by one.
Questions from the youth.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask them not to interrupt.
One more question. This is for who?
My name is Apur.
Yeah.
This is for everyone.
Okay.
Do these leaders use foul languages to gain attention or something?
Okay, that's one question. We'll take 2 more. Don't respond now. Respond later, ma'am, please. We'll take questions first.
Nobody is going to vote hearing a foul language. They may gather a crowd, but nobody is going to vote for them.
Asifa, let's take questions first. Then you can respond in one go. Yes, what's your name?
My name is Nirja. I'm a journalism student from GIMS Vasant Kunj. My question is, we as the citizens have tried the Aam Aadmi Party for 49 days, and we are disappointed. The Congress hasn't been doing well. We are just voting. People might vote for BJP just because they don't have any other option left. That's why we might vote for Modi, Mr. Modi.
And I suggest you must study the Gujarat model. The facts are there on the site.
And
you must ask questions.
One more question.
Your vote is very important.
You know what? There is no model for Gujarat.
Ladies and gentlemen, more than 6 hours of
Okay. Let's not make this about Gujarat. Let's not make this about Gujarat. Anyone else? Before I go to closing statements, okay, let's go to closing statements now. We have about 4 minutes left. You are 4 guests, starting with you, Saurabh Bharadwaj. And please don't interrupt. Let's not interrupt this particular time. Right now, we started talking about language, rhetoric, and facts, and how they mismatch in this particular election. How can you claim, how can you pitch this to these people that the Aam Aadmi Party will not indulge in empty rhetoric and will not indulge in unparliamentary language during the elections?
Like all of them will promise, so I am also promising the same. But I think we need a healthy debate for a democracy. It's a high time when we should have Modi and Rahul Gandhi talk to media, have press conferences, have interviews, so that people know what is there in the mind, what is their personality, what is the roadmap they have. They have been running away and shying away from the media. It's a high time they should stop rhetoric and talk.
All right, that's one for the Aam Aadmi Party. Jaiveer.
Athar, firstly, language is merely used as camouflage to cover your own lack of vision, I say. Any leader from any political party, when you don't have a future plan. You are first-time voters. Always ask you the question, which party has the plan for the future? How do you get that? You read their manifesto. There is a document called the manifesto. There's a battle plan. There's a war plan. How will jobs come? Now, BJP today, the elections are starting, does not have a manifesto. Does Mr. Modi's tall claims of bashing Congress is enough future action plan? No.
Okay,
read the vision.
Let's stop there. Asifa Khan,
You'll
defend
get
your
the
party,
manifesto
defend
tomorrow.
your party and
It's
pitch
3
it.
days.
Okay, no interruptions.
Sorry.
No interruptions for you, Asifa, either. Pitch it, pitch Mr. Modi, pitch
I'm
the
glad
BJP
people are
or your
so
party.
anxious, looking
Yes.
forward to BJP's manifesto. I want to say that Amethi and Rai Bareli, these are two constituencies which for 60 years have been Congress bastions, and the Congress leaders right from Indira Gandhi have been fighting elections from these two constituencies. If at all the Congress government has been so good for the poor of this country, why is today the situation that you cannot compare one district of Gujarat with Rai Bareli or Amethi? That is my question. And you as youth of this country should have an informed voting pattern, should study the Gujarat model, ask us questions relating to your job and to a better future. We want a better future for India and for you and for our children.
What about the language of our leaders?
Generations to
Asifa,
come.
what about the language of our leaders?
Language doesn't.
Your leaders.
Language is not your concern. Your concern is
Language is
your
not your
job
concern?
tomorrow.
Is language not
So
your concern?
I think,
Yes or no?
I
Asifa, they don't agree with you. Language is a
think
concern.
when you come out of the colleges, vote for a leader who will give you job opportunities. That is more important for you.
Okay,
And if he doesn't give you that job
Ajit Sai, wrap
opportunity,
this up
you
for
use
us.
the same language.
Ajit
No,
Sai,
no,
Ajit Sai.
NDA has proved, NDA government has proved that it gives so many jobs. Congress couldn't give in 10
BJP
years'
does
time.
not have a vision, so language is not a concern.
Okay. Ajit
friends,
Sai,
I'll
Ajit
tell you
Sai.
what.
No, wrap this up for us. We have no more
I'm
time.
wrapping it up. Just take 1 minute. Friends, I can tell you one thing from my experience. Much as I would like the Aam Aadmi Party also to succeed, as I would like all of them to succeed, the fact is, the little that I know of the world, and I'm talking about the world, corruption cannot be done away with. There is no country on the planet, whether South Korea, whether Taiwan, anywhere in Latin America, anywhere in the African continent, anywhere in the North America, not even in Europe. Okay, let me tell you one thing. The problem today is all of politics is only about rhetoric. Nothing but rhetoric. And when people, and because people are in rhetoric, they have to scream too much, they have to shout too much, they have to abuse, so that your attention is taken away from asking the real questions. The real questions is, who can create prosperity in this country? The answer is, in my limited understanding today, none of these people.
You have three options today before yourself. You have the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Kejriwal. Do you want to see him as the Prime Minister of the country? You can check his credibility, his experience. You have the Congress Party for the 10 years. You have seen the UPA 1, you have seen the UPA 2, you have seen the dual power, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi and the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
Okay.
You have a Gujarat model. You have seen Mr. Modi. You have seen Gujarat. You can check it yourself.
Okay. One sec.
Vote.
Okay, last 10 seconds.
You know what Mr. Sahi said can be disillusioning. Don't think world is such a bad place. Political parties do a lot, especially the Congress. They have a lot more distance to cover. Vote,
Yes, a
change it,
pessimistic
become
view.
the part of the system. Just don't get into a blame game alone.
Okay, I'm unfortunately out of time today. I want voice votes from you. People who couldn't speak will speak to me later in the program. But voice vote. First, do we all agree, are we all in agreement that all political parties, be it the BJP, Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party or what have you, need to tone down their rhetoric, speak on real issues, yes or no? Yes! Do we need criminals in our polity, yes or no? No! Will we make this election and will we make sure it matters? Will all of you vote, yes or no? Yes! Students of GIMS Vasant Kunj, give yourselves a huge round of applause for being on Campus Connect. Ajit Sai there, Asifa Khan, Jaiveer Shergill and Saurabh Bharadwaj. That's all the time we have on Campus Connect this time. Thank you for Sri Aurobindo Institute and College for giving us the space and GIMS Vasant Kunj for giving us the students. This is Asar Khan saying goodbye and good night.